Let's read a sound book because we are learning letter M. So this is going to practice the sound. That's what letter M makes. My sound books. Remember the little children? This one is called Little M. Little M had a box. I will find things that begin with my sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little found monkeys. 1, 2, 3 monkeys. Did he put the monkeys into the box? He did. That's gonna be a busy box. Little found a mouse. And then he found another mouse. And another mouse. He found many mice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can he put them all in there? Did he put the mice into the box with the monkeys? He did. Oh boy, what's going to happen in that box? But the monkeys did not like the mice. The monkeys were mad. They jumped out of the box and ran. The mice shrugged their shoulders. They ran up a mountain. Mountain, that sounds with M too. Little ran up the mountain. The mice ran up the mountain too. Then the monkeys ran down the mountain. Look at the mad face they're making. Where are they going? The monkeys were so mad they did not see the mud. Mud, that sounds with M. The monkeys fell into the mud. Now they were very mad. What a mess. Little and the mice pulled the monkeys out of the mud. The monkeys were still mad. Look, the mice are helping. They're pulling the little boy too. Little put the monkeys back into the box. Mice, be nice, he said. I must find something else for my mice. And just then, Little met a moose. Moose, he said, you are just what I need for my mice. They can hang on the antlers. Look at that. Is he going into the box? I don't know. I think he's a little too big for that. Little saw a merry-go-round. That sounds with M. Let's ride the merry-go-round, he said. He found some money. And then they all went for a ride on the merry-go-round. The monkey, the mice, and the moose. Then Little looked up and saw the moon. The moon belongs in my box, he said. How can I get the moon? Just then, Little met a magician. The moon is too big for your box, said the magician. But I will take you to the moon in my magic moon machine. Let's go for a ride. And he did. He took them all the way to the moon. So magic. This is the magic moon machine. This is the moon. That's on the surface. Look, they all have special outfits. The monkey, the mouse, the moose, they are all wearing, and the magician, all wearing special helmet. Can you read these words with little m? These are mittens. This is a mop. This is milk. This is a magnet. These are marbles. These are moccasins. You can make some marshmallow at the fire. I know you guys like macaroni and cheese. These are matches. This is a microscope where you can look at tiny, tiny little things through that. This is mustard. You can eat with your hamburgers. This is a mat where you clean your feet at the door. This is a mug. You can drink your hot cocoa in that. This is a magazine. Maybe your parents are reading that or you have your own. And this is a motorcycle.